Hello and welcome. Today we'll discuss all about Priority Pass in credit cards. If you are a frequent traveler to abroad countries or someone who enjoys the comfort of airport lounges, this video is for you. In this video, we'll dive into the world of credit card lounge access and we'll explore how Priority Pass can enhance your travel experience. So let's get started. Before we go into explaining Priority Pass in detail, let's explore a little about credit card lounge access. Well, many credit cards offer exclusive perks, and one of the most sought after benefits is free access to the airport lounges. These lounges provide a peaceful escape from the busy airport environment with comfortable sitting and complimentary snacks, drinks and Wi-Fi and a lot more. Getting into these lounges without paying a hefty access fee can truly enhance your travel experience. Now let's talk about Priority Pass. It's a global airport lounge program that provides access to over 1,300 lounges in airports worldwide. Priority Pass membership is not specific to some airline or some credit cards. It's a standalone program. However, many credit cards in India like HDFC Regalia, Axis Bank Miles and More, Axis Bank Reserve, SBI Platinum and EU Bank Veta and etc. offers this Priority Pass membership to make it more accessible to the card holders. It may be a complimentary benefit or a paid benefit. Well, there is a small catch. If you want to access airport lounges in India, you will have to pay a fee of $27 plus GST. And this amount will be billed to your credit card statement within 90 days of the visit. Now, why you should consider getting a credit card with Priority Pass or getting a Priority Pass membership? Here are some key benefits. Number 1. Unlimited lounge access. With Priority Pass, you can enjoy unlimited visits to participating lounges, irrespective of your airline or ticket class. Even though lounge access is unlimited, but it is not always complimentary or free. Depending on the credit card, Priority members get 2 complimentary international lounge access per quarter. More than that, the visits are chargeable. You can check the Priority Pass FAQs of the particular bank that is offering you a credit card. Number 2. Complimentary guest access. Depending on the terms of credit card, Priority Pass members can bring a guest along with them, and that travel companion can also enjoy the lounge benefits. Number 3. Additional discounts and offers. Some lounges affiliated with Priority Pass may offer discounts on spa services, dining, and maybe retail purchases. These are some added perks to make your travel more enjoyable. Number 4. Global Lounge Network. Priority Pass has an extensive network of airport lounges across the world. Whether you are traveling domestically or internationally, it is very likely that you will find a lounge to relax and unwind. Now, let's talk about how you can obtain this Priority Pass membership. As we mentioned earlier, many credit cards offer this benefit to their credit card holders. When you are choosing a credit card, look for those ones that offer Priority Pass membership as their reward programs. It is important to check specific terms and conditions of the credit cards as the level of access and guest privileges can vary. Also, if you want to, you can purchase a Priority Pass membership separately. Now, here are some tips that can help you maximize your benefits using Priority Pass membership. Number 1. Check the lounge directory. Before your trip, visit the Priority Pass website or their mobile app to check the lounges available at your arrival and departure airports. This will help you have a smooth lounge experience. Number 2. Know the guest policy. Understand the guest policy associated with your Priority Pass membership. Some of the credit cards offer only one free guest, while others offer more generous allowances. Plan accordingly. Number 3. Arrive early. Lounge access is subject to availability, especially during the peak hours. To secure a spot in the lounge, arrive a little early and enjoy the benefits offered by the lounge before your flight. And that's the wrap for today's video. We really hope that you like this video and do share it with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for such informational videos. Thank you.